is a red pepper? What's yours, Reese?
My favorite fruit is banana. And my favorite vegetable probably
Cucumbers?
My favorite fruit is peaches. My favorite vegetable is kale.
Kale?
My favorite fruit is
I don't have a favorite fruit because I like all fruits. And my favorite vegetable is cauliflower.
Okay.
My favorite fruit is raspberries. Oh, and my favorite vegetable is celery.
Celery? Well, those are all great choices. As you know, fruits and vegetables are really, really good for you, right? Okay. Do you know why? I don't know if they have protein. Anybody? They have lots of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants and fiber. You guys know what vitamins and minerals are? You don't? Well, they're all things that are in our foods that help our body do what it's supposed to do. So every system in our body needs fruits and vegetables in order to work correctly. So you need vitamins and minerals in order to build strong bones and muscles. You need vitamins and minerals in order to keep your heart beating. You need vitamins and minerals in order to take the food that you eat and convert it into energy, so you can do things like swim and play basketball and soccer and tennis and all of the things you like to do. So that's why fruits and vegetables are really important. Fruits and vegetables come in lots of different colors, right? Every different color has a different set of vitamins and minerals that does something different in your body. So the red group has nutrients called lycopene and anthocyanins, and what those do is they help your heart and they help your brain. So the reason that you can remember things and do well on tests in class is because you have anthocyanins in your diet. The orange and yellow group has nutrients called carotenoids and also vitamin C. You heard of vitamin C? Yeah. So those help your immune system, they help your eyes, and they help your skin. Can you name some orange and yellow fruits and vegetables?
An orange.
An orange, yeah.
Carrots.
Lemon, carrots. Pineapple. What about your favorite fruit?
Peaches.
Yeah. All good ones. So, what?
Bananas.
Bananas. Those are actually, they actually fall in the white group.
Oh.
Because when you peel them, their flesh is
Oh,
white.
yeah.
So that group does a lot of different things than the yellow group does.
I have a question. Are tomatoes fruits or vegetables?
That is a good question. Technically, pickles are cucumbers.
So they're vegetables.
They're vegetables, but they don't have quite as many nutrients as the fresh cucumbers do. But tomatoes, we're going to use them as vegetables just because they usually fall in the vegetable category. They kind of have similar flavors, but I think technically they're fruits.
And are potatoes vegetables?
They are. They are. They're white ones. They fall in the white category. So green fruits and vegetables, they have things like lutein and folate and calcium. So they're really good for your bones, and they're also good for preventing cancer. So blue and purple. What are some blue and purple ones?
Blueberries.
Eggplant.
Grapes. Some sort of cherries that are purple.
Yeah. Eggplant. Have you had eggplant before?
No.
No?
I don't think so.
not going to try that today because it's usually better cooked, but it's pretty good. They have anthocyanins in them. They're good for your brain, and they also have tons and tons of antioxidants. So they're good for your heart and for preventing cancer. Actually, all fruits and vegetables are really good at keeping you healthy and preventing things like cancer that you don't want. And they all have lots of fiber in them, which helps you digest. So they're great. And then white fruits and vegetables have things called anthocyanin. Can you say that? Anthocyanins. And they're good for your blood vessels and your heart. So every color of fruits and vegetables does different things, which is why you need to eat every color in order to be as healthy as you can be. Does that make sense? Okay. So today we're actually going to make some fruit and vegetable kebabs. I'm going to give you each 2 skewers so you can make 1 vegetable kebab and 1 fruit kebab. And you already washed your hands, so that's good. So I will pass these out, and I have 1 rule. I know we don't like rules, but I have 1 rule. And that is that you have to have at least 1 fruit or vegetable of every color on this sheet, with the exception of blue and purple, because I couldn't find any blueberries or blackberries or plums that were ripe. So you have to have every color but blue and purple on one of your skewers, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to pass these out, and then I'm going to get set up, and I'll let you guys come up and make some kebabs.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So what kind of fruits and vegetables do you guys eat at home?
Tomatoes, apples,
Strawberries,
blackberries.
Do you usually have fruit and vegetable with every meal?
Not all the time. We have a lot of things.
We have a lot of
A lot at dinner?
Yeah.
And you guys get to dish up your own dinner, or your parents dish it up?
Our parents do it.
Okay. Because the recommendation is that at every meal, you want to fill half of your plate with fruits and vegetables. Does that seem like a lot?
Yes.
That's how you stay healthy. Because you want to get a little bit of every color every day in order to hit every single body system. So, what you're going to do I'm going to give you plates. Actually, you can just come up. So, well, here, I'll give you each a plate, and you can take your skewer and just, actually, you washed your hands, so you can just take some fruits and vegetables and put them on your plate, and then once we get back to the table, we can thread our skewers, okay? And this is actually a red pear.
Oh, I thought it was how much do we need of everything?
As much as you want. But you just have to make sure that you have 1 of each color of the rainbow.
Red.
I'm actually gonna cut up a banana too. I just didn't want it to get brown because I tend to do that. Does everybody want banana?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. fruit and veggie on the same one. That's awesome.
You make a skewer.
You need one?
Yeah, of course you can. You can make more than one. There's ranch and yogurt.
Ready, so let me see your skewer. Nice.
Beautiful. Do you want any ranch or vanilla yogurt dip?
Sure.
Yeah?
Use this spoon for the dipper?
There's no more.
Yeah. Here's ranch dip and here's yogurt dip.
I'll try some of that.
It's kind of like an art project too. You can make cool patterns. This is also something that you could make in the morning and bring in the car for breakfast maybe, or it's very portable. Do you want ranch? So now what I want you to do is I want you to write on your sheet which red fruits and vegetables you put on your skewers, which orange and yellow, which green, and then just go down the line. Are there any fruits and vegetables over there that you guys haven't tried yet? No? Tried them all? Have you had red pears?
No, I haven't tried it.
Okay. You have? They're good, aren't they? And then the oranges, they're actually tangerines. Just so you know.
The grapes, was it a red or purple?
You can say they're red or purple. They both have the same nutrient. They're called red grapes, though. So when you guys eat fruits and vegetables at home, do you usually eat fresh ones, or do you eat cooked ones, or canned ones, or
Usually fresh.
usually fresh? That's good. So the peaches that you eat, they're fresh? That's good. Fresh is the best way to go. Fresh or frozen, because they still have all their nutrients. But say when you make a pickle out of a cucumber, or when you can vegetables and fruits, the processing kind of takes some of the nutrients away from them. So it's best to go fresh or frozen. You guys drink juice at home?
Yeah.
Sometimes? What kind of juice?
V8.
V8? That's a good one. Like the tomato?
Yeah.
V8 Splash. You read
V8
it?
Splash? The fruit one? That's good. You want to make sure that your juice that you drink is 100% fruit or vegetable juice. And it's still better to eat the fruit itself because it has all the fiber and stuff. And if you can, do you guys eat the skin on your apples and pears and peaches and stuff? That's good, because that has even more nutrients than the inside does. So, besides like the banana skin and the orange skin, you're not supposed to eat that. So what red fruits and vegetables do you have on your skewers?
Tomato, grapes, and pears.
Everybody same? What about orange and yellow? Mhm. And green?
Kiwi, cucumber, and
Okay, and then there wasn't any blue and purple, but for that one, you should just write down as many blue and purple ones that you can think of. You guys have beets?
Yep.
Yeah, those would count as blue or purple.
Acai berries.
Mm-hmm. I've never had those. Have you had those? Really?
Yes.
Blueberries? What about blackberries? So what are some things you've come up with for the purple and blue one?
Plums, beets, blueberries, blackberries.
Blueberries, beets, and blackberries.
I have eggplant.
That's a good one. Very good. So then what white fruits and vegetables do you put on your skewers?
Banana and corn.
Bananas? Yeah. Good job. Well, now you guys can eat them.
You're like, yes.
You
There's no pause on this.
What about at school? Do you guys bring your lunch to school?
Sometimes.
Or do you usually get lunch at school?
I bring one every day.
Do you? Do you pack it yourself? What do you usually have?
Sandwich and yogurt.
Do you have fruits and vegetables?
But I have like put a lot of lettuce on the sandwich.
Okay. Do you think you could throw like a apple, banana in there someday? Yeah? Do your parents have those at home
Yeah.
for you to grab?
We didn't come up with this.
Did you? How did you do that?
We got Abbott caramel.
We got like a block of caramel
There's no other hand. And then the apple's on a stick. Wow, this sounds good.
And that's like, see, you can have fruit for dessert too.
Yeah.
One time my sister and Lauren and my dad made chocolate and we did fruit.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Yeah. Fruit is a great option for dessert too. And that can help you get all your colors in. You guys think that you eat one of every color every day? You do? That's awesome. You gotta keep that up. So, what kinds of fruits and vegetables does your school serve if you're eating?
They have
Apples.
oranges, pears.
Apples, oranges, pears,
They usually have like celery,
carrots.
tomatoes, and
They
jicama.
have
Jicama?
Yeah.
I tried to find jicama today, but I couldn't. It's like, do you guys like jicama?
yeah.
It's pretty good.
Your
That's
school
a-
serves that? Jicama? Wow.
That's
Cool.
impressive.
Mm-hmm.
What color, or what color group would that be in?
White.
Yep.
I love this.
Pretty good. Tastes kind of like peas. Do you think it tastes like sugar snap peas? Kind of. Well, that would be in the green group. We didn't mention that one. Green beans. If you want seconds, you can definitely have seconds, or you can make skewers to take home if you want. You guys are awesome.